Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. Today I'm so excited, you guys. I know I've been filming for a while now, but today I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be filming my current favorites, and these are products and things that I've been loving so much lately, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys would like to see all the things I'm going to be talking about for my favorites, then just keep on watching. I feel like today's like a bad day to film too. This is why I don't film a lot, because I always get interruptions, background noises, just everything. I feel like if you're a YouTuber and you truly have like the privacy and stuff, and like just, you know, quiet space and stuff, then you could film a lot of videos. But when you live with other people, it's like constantly loud and there's a lot of interruptions. That's one of the big reasons why I don't film as often as I would like. But moving on, you guys. So my current favorites, obviously I wanted to start with these necklaces. This one is super cute. It's more like it has like that layer style design to it, and it is a Hmong necklace. It has a little Hmong amulet right here, and then it has these cute little Hmong designs on it as well. And I'm loving this because this is more of like a modern style of necklaces nowadays. And I did purchase this from a girl on Facebook, and she does her own customized jewelry. And I also got this one right here, you guys, and this one's a little bit more simple. It looks like this, and it comes with an adjustable string. Let me untangle it for you guys. So it comes with an adjustable string right here, so you can make this necklace shorter or longer depending on what you like. And that's why that's what I really like about it, because I feel like once you could adjust the length, then it's just, you know, customized to your own liking. Like some days I want to wear this necklace a little bit shorter, and some days I want to wear it longer. So I love these two pieces so much. And I will list her Facebook page for you guys down on the description box if you guys are interested in these necklaces or something similar to it. She does a lot more other necklaces on her page, so not only these two, but a lot more designs. So if you guys want to check it out, then go ahead and check it down below. And yeah, the next current favorite is this Paris Hilton fragrance mist. I'm loving this color. I'm loving this perfume scent so much. It just smells really fresh and clean, and I don't know exactly the scent or the notes of it, so I will put them up here for you guys to read. But this just smells amazing. Like, I love it. It just feels so fresh and clean and sweet and just delicious. So I sprayed this like a lot already. I'm probably like halfway done with it already. So yeah, I really enjoy this one, and I did get this one from Walmart, and it was really affordable. But yeah, it just smells amazing. So that is my current perfume slash fragrance at the moment. So moving on, this is my current favorite eyeshadow palette. It is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, and I love this palette, you guys. This is the palette. The colors are so gorgeous. It has neutral tones, and it also has the pop of colors in one eyeshadow palette, you guys. So I love colors, I love neutrals, and this one just has everything in one. So that's why I love this palette so much. I've been using this one like majority of the time. Whenever I'm getting ready or doing my makeup, I'm always grabbing this one right now. So love this palette so much. It is my current favorite. So yes, if you guys have not gotten yourself one of this, please go and purchase one, because this one is amazing. Okay, so the next item that is my current favorite is the Shop Miss A Beauty Sponge, and I am loving this sponge so much because, well, this one's a new one, but I've been using this sponge already. Like, I have another one, but it's dirty, so I didn't want to show it on camera. But yeah, this one I've been loving so much, you guys. It feels really soft, and not only that, like, come on now, it's only $1.55. Yeah, so it's only $1.55 for it, and that means it's super affordable. So definitely check out Shop Miss A. I will link all the stuff that I'm talking about in this video in my description box, so if you guys want to check it out, check it out. But yeah, so this one definitely is super soft and makes my makeup flawless as usual. But like, if you don't want to spend like 8 to 10 to whatever, like higher for a beauty sponge, then definitely think about buying these, because these will definitely just you'll like them a lot. And I think I'm gonna start using these more because they're really affordable, and I don't want to splurge too much on like my beauty sponges. So yeah, this definitely is worth it, you guys, and I'm currently loving this so much. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is my current favorite, and it is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So I'm pretty sure you guys already heard about this already, but this one definitely I love because it just like cleans my makeup really good, and I just use it with a cotton pad, and yeah, it really does not make your skin irritated or make your eyes like, you know, irritated either or whatnot. So I really like it, and it's super affordable. I got this huge bottle for I think $4 or $5. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was around $4 or $5 for this. And let me tell you guys, it has lasted me quite some time now. So if you guys would like to try this out, then feel free to try it out, because I'm currently loving this right now. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna show you guys my current favorite, and this is the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is the Rimmel London one, and this one is amazing, you guys. I'm wearing it on my lips today. It's just a perfect like brown tone nude, I'm guessing that's how you describe it. I suck at explaining nudes, but there you go. It's just such a beautiful color. I'm loving that so much. The formula feels amazing, and not only that, it smells really good when you apply it onto the lips. It smells really like bubblegum licious, you know. It's not even a scent, but you know what I mean. It smells like bubblegum, and yeah, I'm worried, but I'm gonna just smell it because I like the smell of it. And yeah, so I'm wearing it on my lips today. It's just a really beautiful nude, and I really like it a lot. So yeah, not only that, you guys, guess how much this liquid lipstick costs? Yes, it only costs like me like $5. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. $5 for a lipstick. Nowadays you can't find like, you know, lipsticks or whatnot for like that price. So definitely I love this one so far. Lastly, I will be sharing 2 songs that I am currently loving right now that are my favorites at the moment. And yeah, it's kind of random, but I do like to enjoy like sharing a little bit of myself in videos as well. So yeah. Okay, so let me like find it on my phone for you guys so y'all can listen to it. I'm just loving these 2 songs so much. So the first one is called Better by Khalid. Is it Khalid? I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I butchered his name, but y'all know this song. Oh my gosh, yes. This is my current favorite right now. This song is so good. This is my song right now, you guys. Love to see you shine in the night like a diamond you are. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted, but I love this song. It has such a like catchy music. Oh my god, I love this song. This is my current favorite. The other one I really love right now, it's the it's called Dancing with a Stranger by Sam Smith. I love this song. Like, y'all know the song. Like, I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over you. I'm still thinking about the things you do. So I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Can you buy the phone? I love that song so much right now too. So those are my two top favorite songs, and I hope I don't get copyrighted or whatnot, please. That is the end of my video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I do apologize that I haven't been filming as much as I want to. That's just because there's just so many distractions and I've been busy, so I apologize for that. But I will try to film as much as I can whenever I get the chance. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.